Hi, Zmotion Technology here. And let's continue XPCIE1032H motion control card learning. Today, Lesson 6. After C# programming, RTSys can help test it in advance. As for C# preparations, please review former videos and articles. RTSys is one Zmotion development, debugging, and diagnosis software. It supports rich functions and it is stable enough. Because its last version Z-Develop that has been used 10 years. RTSys is updated from Z-Develop. You could download it from website. This is the address. Before downloading, you could check your PC. This form shows the RTSys requirements for PC. Next, test it as you needed. Here, debugging tools for C# routine will be talked mainly. For more details, please refer to the user manual. Also, there are learning videos. Main interface of RTSys. Generally, it is Chinese environment by default. If you need English version, please switch the language at first. In View menu, this icon means language selection. Please note Restart RTSys to make new language take effect. The first step is to do connection. Connect through IP, or serial port, or local. For XPCIE1032H card, as we all know, local is used. After connection, you can do all operations. In controller state window, you could know controller basic information and connected device information, which helps you know current node situation. Today, we take one C# single-axis motion as description. UI interface. Connection. Axis parameters configuration. Axis motion. And these are related tools. See one by one. Axis parameter window. While C# running, these parameters tell you whether the running is normal. For example, speed, the axis speed. After setting speed in C# axis parameter configurations, it will move according to the speed. If speed of RTSys is same as C#1, obviously, the speed is set successfully, including DPOS, MPOS. They both can check motion distance. I/O window. Here, you could give in and OP signals. After giving in state, check whether C# program receives it. If C# outputs, see the corresponding OP is on or of. Sometimes, you can set special in signals. Register window. Select C# used register type and starting number. You could read register data. See whether they are set correctly. Manual window. This is mainly for axis motion. Set needed axis and its parameters. Left move it. Right move it. Whether C# program will move correspondingly. The last, scope window. The oscilloscope is used to capture axis motion waveform. You could know how the motion is directly. Like, where the axis is at one certain time. Which stage is acceleration, which is deceleration. What's more, when there is problem, it can be found easily. Next, let's operate it. After card wiring and drive installing, open the C# routine. Connect by local. To make the motor OK, we can use RTSys to debug it initially. Same, select local to connect it. Click Tool, find Manual, open it. Here, set corresponding axis parameters. Then, click left and right to observe axis motion. Input and output debugging. Trigger one input signal. Back C# routine. It can be seen C# in 24 and RTSys in 24 are on synchronously. Other inputs are the same. Test the output. Open RTSys output 1. Corresponding C# OP1 is also on. Therefore, in this way, it can be known now I/O are normal. You can test I/O like this. After that, while running, sometimes, it needs to modify axis parameters. Specifically, the axis parameter window. There are many parameters. Speed, acceleration, deceleration, etc. Then, set C# parameters. For example, modify axis 1 speed. Set it as 50 from 100. Click Modify. RTSys, it becomes 50 also. For other parameters, you could check their meanings in RT Basic Programming Manual. Then test like speed. Another tool, scope. Open the oscilloscope. Through scope captured waveform, you could view motion effect. Let's make axis 0 run one simple motion. Before, set which data to be captured. DPOS, pulse position. M speed, axis real-time feedback speed. Start the oscilloscope. Manual trigger it. Select motion test, set parameters well. Click move. It can be seen the oscilloscope is sampling data. The scope function is really powerful, which can help debug. RT Basic Manual tells you the full functions. Okay, today's lesson is over. If you are interested in XPCIE1032H or others, please contact us. See you next time.